Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn on or enable Smart Invert on iPhone iOS 10. So, if you want to change the color of display on your iPhone except for images and some media player, then you need to turn on what is called Smart Invert. So basically here you learn how to turn on your Smart Invert on your iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative at the end, please do give this video a thumbs up and subscribe as this helps us to grow. So the first one to do is go ahead and open the settings app on your iPhone. Now, once you open the settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, locate and then click on accessibility. Now, once you click on accessibility, scroll down the accessibility page and go to vision. Now, under vision, locate and click on display and text size, click on that. There you go. Under display and text size, you want to scroll down, locate Smart Invert. You see that? It says Smart Invert reverses the color of the display except for images, media, and some apps that use dark mode styles. Then go ahead and turn this on. Once done that on, you should see Smart Invert turned on. And if you go back to your phone home screen, they're gonna see the effect of Smart Invert except for application that uses the dark mode style. So that is basically how to enable or turn on Smart Invert on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.